Good day, sir. Yeah, gentlemen, you say your name is what? My real name is Mr. Jonah. Okay. Yes, sir. So, what are your qualifications? I'm a product of Oxford University, Akure. But I'm proud of, yes, I'm proud of saying that Jesus Christ. And I'm also a bachelor in Badagry. Oh my God. Then I also have a BSc in mechanical economics. Are you serious? Yeah. I did my bachelor in Badagry, I think for 5 years. For 5 years. Yeah, I think 5 years. Which year the Shaga? I think about 5-6 years. Wonderful. I think you can see I'm a professor because people call me professor. So I don't have any problem. Anywhere I want to have a job, they always take me once. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Marvelous. Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate it, sir. All right. Congratulations. Thank you, sir. Congratulations. You have won the job. Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I really appreciate you. You have a very good qualification. Yes, sir. Can you start immediately? I don't mind. Are you ready now? Okay, you mean I should start now? I'm ready, sir. Fine. It's fine by me. What are you waiting for? Fine. God. Nigeria is the best. So let me show you your office. Come on, let's go. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Ọjọ́ àbókí àwa. Ó ti pẹ́ nínú àwàdà. Láti sẹ́tírì mẹ́fà. Àti ṣe kọ́mẹ́dì wa. Mr. Man, yes, sir. This is your office. A gate man, ordinary gate man, with my professor, with my qualification. Yes! I thought you said you want to show me my office. This is your office. It could not be my office, okay? There is no AC here, there is no fan, there is no chair. I will ask that man to hand over the key of this part. Whenever cars is coming in, going out, so you'll be in a position to open the gate and close it back, and that's your small office here. I rather that one here. I say my wife saw me the say your long. Mo ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní gbàdúrà fún yín tẹ́lẹ̀ gbogbo àdúrà tí mo gbà fún yín mo change ẹ̀ sí pé what is that? Ẹ bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run báwo lẹ ṣe máa sọ pé kémi jẹ́ professor of gate man tẹ̀wá ló máa kó kí fún mi nonsense nìyẹn náà àbẹ̀ ní jèrè ni. You are mad. What? You are mad. That is you are a professor but I'm not a professor of gate man. Ọ̀gá ó dùn mí o ẹ máa kórìí ti yín wájú o this is rubbish o what have I done wrong? Even you don't fear God you look at all my qualifications. I just showed you 3. I have about 25 qualifications. Tí mo lè fi wọ̀nyí. Ẹ kò ní ti yín wájú, ti fún mi sí yín náà. Bàtà kí n pàtó wọ́n múra mi ń bẹ̀yẹn. So you can keep this gate and your salary is 45,000 naira. Thank you. What is that? Tí mo ti rò wípé mo ti jẹ́ general manager ń bí àti general manager gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́ máa lẹ̀ wá gbé mi wá. Lórí burúkú bọ́ọ̀ì tó gbowó lọ́wọ́ mi tó kọ́ mi lóyìnbó yẹn gan mi ò mọ̀ bóyá òyìnbó tó kọ́ mi gan correct. Ṣé ìṣàbọ̀dún kan ni wọ́n fi ń ṣe kìíní èmi pọ̀dún márùn-ún ṣe tèmi ẹ máa kó ní ti yín wájú o ẹ máa kó ní ti yín wájú is I be well with you.